Hello friends. So talking about GoAir, the airline which was at a time a couple of years back was a rival to other major airlines like Indigo, has lost in many fronts in terms of the market share has shrunk below 10%, and in fact COVID has largely put a break to whatever success being planned for the firm. We have seen how the earlier IPO plans have failed for the firm, and raising cash has been very difficult for the firm. Again, it is planning an IPO and it is to be seen how it will raise fund. The valuation, what it seek is near about 10 to 12,000 crore for the firm, and the idea is to sell 25% of the stake to raise 2 to 3,000 crore for the firm. Now, will that happen? That is the question, because from the investor's perspective, that valuation may be very high, and in fact, on most of the fronts, they are falling much behind the nearest competitor, SpiceJet, which is in fact valued 4,000 crore and having a greater and more smoother operation and more credibility. GoAir has lost its credibility and in terms of functions in the past 1 or 2 years, as it lost a lot of top brass management. The senior management is vacant, and in fact, the employees as well, most of them were removed during the pandemic times. So it is not having the right administration and management and staffing, and reviving it now, it is being difficult for the firm because they need to find good people to run the firm. So that is definitely a challenge. Now it is to be seen how what would be the strategy, unless the firm is having a clear, good management is definitely required, and thereupon they can have a good and clean strategy on how to succeed. Now that is something which is missing for the firm, and that is what drives valuation, the brand equity part. So that puts a question mark on how much money, how fruitful the IPO process and the raising cash will be, and it somehow it seems the kind of operation in terms of the low load which is being seen on as per data on GoAir flights, and the kind of infrequent or the low frequencies and not suitable timing, what slots they are having for operations, and a lot of cancellations as well. So such things are definitely taking the brand from this brand equity, and these things will unfold in their valuation, and that is something uh, which is to be taken care of even from the investor's perspective, and the firm itself needs to organize itself first, operate in a steady manner, and then should leverage the revive its brand and leverage the brand equity. So that should be the case ideally. So let's see how GoAir will go in the coming years. Thank you.